Hi guys, welcome to another video with information technology. So we have got this electronic cash register SES400, and if you are seeing error message saying E014, basically this means that this cash machine is out of the paper. So we need to put on the paper. So I have a rule: make sure that the shiny side is actually down. Okay, the shiny side should be down, and then you put on this paper. So basically what you need to do is, it has this thingy and then it has this one. So you need to take this up and then take out the paper from here, put it on, and then put the lid back. Okay, as you can see, the machine back to normal. Okay, so now to turn it on, press this one and everything is working. Thank you so much. This video is presented to you by Information Technology Zia Maliki.